So this is the second last topic of our fifth module, and this is to define pivotal behavior. What is pivotal behavior? Pivotal behaviors are key behaviors that have a broad impact on an individual's overall functioning. So basically, when improvements are made in these areas, there tends to be a ripple effect leading to gain in multiple other areas. Examples include motivation, self-initiation, and social interaction skills. So when you are working on some behaviors and they have impact on other behaviors, the improvement made in these behaviors lead towards improvement in other areas. Those behaviors are known as pivotal behaviors. Importance of pivotal behavior. Obviously, there is efficiency because targeting pivotal behaviors can lead to widespread improvements without having to teach every single skill individually. The improvements have been made in different areas, in other areas without you having to teach each of them directly. So there is efficiency. Then there is generalization. Enhancing pivotal behavior helps skill transfer across various settings and situations. Coming towards the MCQs, what is a pivotal behavior? A key behavior that has a broad impact on overall functioning. Which of the following is an example of a pivotal behavior? Self-initiation. Why is targeting pivotal behavior considered efficient? It leads to widespread improvements without teaching each skill individually. How do pivotal behaviors contribute to generalization? They enhance skills that naturally transfer across various settings and situations. Why are pivotal behaviors important in intervention strategies? They promote broader development improvements across multiple areas. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.